Hi, this is Janusz speaking. Today I want to present how we can protect data safe if the record is not up to date. So start with the example. So we have one user here, admin, and in the second browser I open exactly the same database with the user guest. And now admin will open one record in the database, the first record, and the guest will open exactly the same record. And now user guest decided to change something, for example, like this, and make it safe. Yeah? What admin can see? He can see still old data. But imagine he decided to change something, paper 11, but he is not aware that the user guest did some changes in the meantime. So if he will make save, he will be warned that someone else modified this record in the meantime and he cannot save. Yeah. So the only possibility is now to go back and you can see the data updated by the guest. Now admin can enter, modify it. Okay, let's put a different value. Yes, to paper, and now he can save, yeah, and everything is fine. And the user, the guest, have this record still open and he decided to change for paper and then trying to save is not possible because in the meantime admin modified this record. So coming back, yes, and if we are at admin, so probably we can modify, yes, it works, yeah. Okay, so how to implement such protection? So what we need to do is just put some data in the JavaScript code, some procedure in the PHP. Here I have one field updated by temporary, which normally should be hidden. It's not necessary that this field is visible, and this field is just used to keep the value of the updated by, the name of the updated by, just before save. I will just show an example. Yes, this value, now we are on the guest. We are on the guest account. Yes, going here, and this is admin. And if I will just make save, you will see admin here and guest here. So this is just a short memory to keep the original person who did the save. Now let's go to the code. It will be much more easier to understand it. Going to form properties, custom code, and what I need to add in the JavaScript. I need to add just only this line. Yes, so calculated, so cal updated by temp equals to updated by, and that's all. So this is the only line which I need to add in nu before save, provided that the whole structure of the database is already prepared. Yeah. Okay. Next, we need to check the conditions in before save. Let's go to before save. What you can see here. So I should know what is the record ID. If the record ID is not new, I mean not equal to -1, I am just checking, just putting information, what table, what the field name updated on, and what the field name updated by, and running one procedure and evaluating it later. Now we can go and check this procedure. So this procedure, we can find here procedure, check edit status. What we are doing here. So table ID, record ID, field name of the record of the primary key of the table. So let's open now the PHP admin. Let's go to the structure. So this is this table called calculation. So calculation ID. If we go here, table is calculation, calculation plus ID. So this is the field name of the primary key of the table. Hash reading all parameters of the form. Record ID, so record ID from hash, yeah. Updated on to, updated by by to. This is the status at the record opening. Next, I am reading what is the current status in the database. So reading the updated on, updated by from currently from the database, and okay, this is the value. Here is the message which potentially can be used if data are not the same. And here I am checking if updated on 1 currently equals to updated on 2. I mean, when I open the form is the same. It's okay, yeah? The same for updated by. If it's not like that, I am displaying this error message and preventing the saving. Potentially updated on can be sufficient, but may happen in case of many users that at the same second when you open the record someone saved. So I prefer to use both to be 100% sure for my checking, yeah. And in fact that's the whole code to run this checking. If we just go to the table, so the best is to have naming for the table, like table name ID, yes, for the fields, 3 first letters, underscore, and some names. For the updated on, so it is default value is current timestamp, and on update current timestamp. So every time I'm saving, database is taking care to update the current date. Yeah. So this database is available on our test server, test and nuBuilder cloud. You can connect, you can review all the code. You cannot modify this code. You don't have access to PHP admin, but for the code you can modify. Saving is working, so you can test this database as well. And the password and login you will find on the nuBuilder forum with the post how to protect database from double saving. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.